Hey people, what's up? I'm sorry not doing YouTube because my data is kind of out of usage on now. Let me read the note. Alright, it's just a coffee pot. That's my nan's brand new coffee. One of these microwaves, my nan's microwave died. We got a new microwave. I'll show you how you bake a corn dog in a coolest microwave in the whole century. Alright, you have to get a plate and fire it up. Alright, people. These microwaves will be tough. Alright, corn dog like that. Step the crap out of it. Is that coming? Oh, shucks. People, I'll be back. I'm stupid. My phone's stupid too. Stupid phone! You see I'm cooking? Alright. Sorry if I'm gonna fuss on my phone. One second, I'll fuss it in. Just angles. Alright, people. Alright, people. There it goes. I'm frying my own breakfast. Do not open it when it's doing something. It's called Smart Inventor. Look, people, it's ready. What you think of the corn dog? Let's take a good taste on it. It's very hot. Alright, people. I'll cook it for 3 minutes, and it's how you do it. Alright, people, thanks for watching. I run microwave style at my Nana's house. My Nana went to doctor's appointment, left her phone right here. Got a call from Friday. That's not my phone. My phone's in my hand. Let my corn dog cool. Alexa. 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 Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No, Alexa.